So we have a brake issue on this bike. So let's do a baseline. I think I already know what could be the problem. That's hard brake. That's almost what? 3-4 parking lots. Referring to the front. So let's do it again. Let's drive up to 40. Brakes. 4 or 5 parking lots. Yeah, I'm really squeezing hard on that. Let's see. I think it's just contaminated brake pads. So let's clean the pads because I don't think the pistons are stuck up. Before we even open up the disc, I already noticed something because this is a custom bike. It's an XJR1300 with, I don't know what fork this is. I'm not sure if this is an XJR rims, but it does look like it's XJR. This is a mix and match project. So now the issue is, so if you can see that there's a groove here. So basically he is only using 55% of his disc. If we take off the pads, probably 50% is just being used. But what I can suggest, you see, only half, a bit more than half is being used. And then there's a bit of space here. So what I can suggest is we can, you know, hack job this. So this will go down and more of the pads will be mated with the disc. That is, of course, with approval. You may also think that the pistons are sticking. So if we push this out, yep, they just push out very easily. No effort at all. And then if I squeeze the brakes, it will just go in with no effort. How much can we still move the pistons? So let's measure the top of the pads to where we can fit this. 6 mm. And then let's measure the edge of the disc. That will be 12. So we can actually move this 6 mm. So this much. This will go up to here. So meaning this should be removed. in order for this to go down. Now, if you move this down, then the pads will touch the disc up to here. So we will have more contact and brakes will be much more efficient. Let's see what the owner's opinion is. That modification alone will increase the brake efficiency by 30%, plus probably cleaning the pads. Plus, if you want to improve it more, then probably better brake pads. And once we actually sand and flatten the disc and the pads, where there will be much more, contact between the mating surface, I believe the efficiency will go much more higher. But a gorgeous build.